Support seems to be building tonight for a mother accused of illegally sending her son to school in Norwalk because she is not a resident.
Her case was once again up before a judge today. News 8's Kent Pierce on the scene at Norwalk Superior Court with more on the public push to have those charges dropped.
A brief, uneventful court appearance for the famous homeless mom, but now the court does have officially filed with it a petition with more than 16,000 signatures on it asking them to drop the larceny charges against Tanya McDowell.
It's on the back and front pages. These are all the signatures from across the country. I wish I'd do a better way to show you.
What Gwen Samuel did was show her petition to prosecutors in Norwalk on the same day Tanya McDowell had a court appearance. McDowell says she was homeless when she put her babysitter's address on a form to enroll her 5-year-old son in kindergarten in Norwalk. Prosecutors charged her with larceny for stealing education services. Gwen Samuel formed the Connecticut Parents Union and is helping McDowell.
We just, as parents, are concerned that we just want them to do right by Tanya, and most and foremost, her son. Drop these charges.
McDowell is also facing drug charges. Her attorney says her other legal problems made prosecutors treat her differently than 26 other families who were also illegally sending their children to Norwalk schools.
I'm optimistic that once cooler heads prevail, that equity will prevail, and equity would have us give her the same disposition as those other 26 families, which is no prosecution, and we just go from there.
As for McDowell, the case against her is going forward for now, and her son is going to kindergarten in Bridgeport and struggling to understand why.
Her son is having nightmares right now. He feels every time she has to go to court, because people are telling him about this, that her mother may not come home.
McDowell's lawyer says that if he can't get the larceny charge against her dropped, he at least wants a change of venue. He wants the case heard in a different courthouse because, he says, the top prosecutor here in Norwalk is the daughter of Norwalk's mayor, and Norwalk's mayor has publicly spoken out against McDowell. On the scene in Norwalk, I'm Kent Pierce, News 8.